A puzzle concerning Q objects and foreign keys. I've got a model like this. I've got a function that has passed a list of filters where each filter is of the form, type apostrophe colon something, value apostrophe colon x. This function needs to return a set of results ANDing all the filters together. Each subthing has a Boolean property main. Everything has one and only one subthing where main equals true. I now need to add filter that returns all the things which have a subthing where main equals true and subproperty equals filter value. Can I do this as part of the Q object I'm constructing? If not, how else? The query set I get before my new filter can be quite large, so I would like a method that doesn't involve looping over the results.
It's a bit easier to understand if you explicitly give your subthings a related underscore name and their relationship to the thing. Now, you use Django join syntax to build your Q object. The reverse relationship has the default name subthing underscore set, but I find that it's easier to follow if you give it a better name like subthings.
Using, instead of final underscore Q equals Q in the beginning. Should get you what you want. You can also adjust your loop to build the sub underscore vals list and apply it after the loop. Subthing underscore set is an automatically added related field added to the thing to access related subthings. You can assign another related name, for example,
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.